Hamster Combat really be launched in the next few hours. To be precise, 5 hours. Let's see. Is Hamster Combat really want to shock us? Let's go back to the Telegram quickly and see. So all you just need to do is to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and as well share my videos. On this very channel, I share a lot of legit information on how you can make money and also how to learn a lot of skills. So let's go back to it. Going to the cards, specials. Wow. So going by this, will Hamster Combat be launched according to this really few hours? Let's hope for that. Okay. Because in the recent days, we have had a lot of hours counted. Because something like this semi-final cards came with some few hours and it later exhausted. And also another cards from this, which we all know, counted and it was exhausted without no result from our expectations. Without no result for our expectations, okay? So, but what makes me believe that Hamster Combat may launched with these hours is that this final has come. So I was pondering since I don't really know, but I think Hamster Combat will launched based on these countdown hours. Okay? So all we just need to do is to hope for the best, but all that I know is that Hamster Combat by God's willing will launch this July ending. Okay? But let's see where this has lead us to. Okay? So do not forget, if this is your first time coming across to my channel, do well to subscribe, like, and share. If you have any question, do not worry. Drop it at the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. Okay? So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being with me. I will see you in my next video. Bye.